Good morning, it's Hiker Dude Dad, and I'm here at Swatara State Park. We're gonna take a walk to the Bordner Cabin. Let's go. So nothing new or unique about today's hike. I've been here before, I've done videos before, but today I just needed to get out. Lancaster County, all points south, we're gonna be really windy today, like 20 to 25 mile per hour winds. So last night, after being on my weather app for about an hour, I determined that if I drove north, and I'm about an hour north of home, then gonna have calm skies, no wind, just nice and relaxing. So also, after seeing Wandering Woodsman's video from Bordner Cabin a week or two ago, couldn't resist the possibility of maybe seeing Aycrigg Falls frozen over. So we'll take a walk out to the cabin and see what we can find. We had a pretty warm week and most of the snow back home melted. Again, we're a little farther north here, so hasn't quite melted away. It's February 4th. The temperature today is hovering just under 40, but the longer we're here, the stronger the possibility of getting a wind chill. So we started at the Sanding Spring trailhead and following signs for the Bear Hole Trail. Take a left when we get down here, and shouldn't be too far to the cabin. A little blue gap in the clouds there. It's pretty cloudy today. The air is still, which is good, but I figured lighting wouldn't be a big problem today. We're basically walking through all this dense hemlock and mountain laurel on the Bear Hole Trail. All right, so I pulled up a picnic table here inside Bordner's cabin. I've got it all to myself. This place is so cool. I've gone over the whole story of the place before, but Armour Bordner, a long time ago, just decided he wanted to live in the woods. He was a teacher nearby in Lebanon County, and he took a bunch of students out here in the woods, and basically like they learned to build a house, which is awesome. So they built this cabin, and then he lived here up until his death, I believe. I think he had a special pass to stay living here while the park was under development and everything like that. So it's good that they have this place here. It's in very good condition for being just public and open. I hope people continue to keep it that way, but along with this awesome fireplace here, one of the big features, and you know, I'm posted up right here by this big bay window here and a view of the falls. Back when Mr. Bordner built it, you did not have I-81 right at the top of the falls. Unfortunately, that's the case today, but traffic doesn't seem too bad, and the sound of the falls really kind of drowns out any road noise. So it is chilly, you know me. I think I'm gonna make an espresso here and just kind of enjoy my time here at this place all alone. This is awesome. And just like that, on the trail, I've got a macchiato espresso drink ready to go. If you would like an Alton Nano portable espresso maker, click the link in the description. Use the code HikerDudeDad for 10% off. Cheers. All right, well, that was fantastic. I sat there with my coffee and just looking at the waterfalls and enjoying the cabin all to myself for about 45 minutes or so. And it was definitely an awesome refuge from the wind, as there's not really any here right now. And I know at home it was supposed to be 20 miles per hour. So good choice today. I'm gonna hike back along the Bear Hole Trail back to Standing Spring Lot, and then I'm gonna drive down to Trout Run and check that out. Definitely a lot of variety on the trail here. There's dog prints, human prints, horseshoes. I've seen rabbit and deer as well. It's definitely a mixed use trail here on the Bear Hole. No bear tracks that I've identified though. Almost back to the car, and here comes the wind finally. That's what I was expecting and trying to get away from today.
A few moments later.
All right, we're gonna hit the Trout Run Trail now. Wind has picked up a little bit, but this is a 1 mile loop. Looks like we'll perhaps see the AT as well. Let's go check it out. Dig it. The Moonshine Trail is what it tells us to take here. Part of the Trout Run loop, I suppose. Moonshine Trail has brought us down along partially frozen Trout Run. There's not really a good path without thorns or anything to get down there. And it seems like there's a little bit of a dam right through there, but we'll keep going on the trout run loop. As we take a right-hand turn here and divert from the Moonshine Trail, I just realized that my dry January has spilled over into February. How about that? Well, that was a quick mile. I'm back at the parking lot. Every time I drive through Swatara State Park, I think, man, I got to do that 1 mile little loop. I think it would be better in the spring, fall, anytime that there's a little more color, a little more life on the trail. But glad I got it out of the way. Glad I got to spend time at Bordner's Cabin again. Love that place. If you like what I'm doing, please like, subscribe, ring that bell for notifications. Get your espresso maker down in the description. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.